Grandma time.
Let's go!
Buckle up.
Come on! No.
Everyone in the car must buckle up.
Okay.
La 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 la. We are ready to go.
Super!
Ouch! Are you okay?
Uh-oh!
See what can happen?
Yes.
Always keep your seatbelt fastened in the car.
Okay.
Lunchtime.
Wow.
Oliver, let me fasten your seatbelt.
No.
But you could fall out of the chair. Huh? What's that sound? Look what can happen.
Okay.
Always buckle up. Much better.
Super! I'm so hungry.
Okay. Now we will play.
Yay! Let's go.
Oliver, you forgot to fasten your seatbelt.
No.
It's necessary for safety. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go! Uh-oh. Do you understand why you need a seatbelt?
Okay.
Good job. Come on.
No.
As you wish. Oliver, should she go first?
Uh-huh. Ouch!
Look what can happen.
Okay.
La la la, la la la. Time to play video games. Come on.
Look.
Oliver.
Yes.
Thank you, Oliver. You have learned the lesson well.
Wow.
Diana is late.
I'm late for school. Oh no. Wow. Let's go.
First rule, don't be late.
Sorry.
Come in.
Okay.
Let's go get the next student. Come on.
Yeah! La 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 la. Hello, Diana. Oh, hello. Let's sit together. Yeah. Okay. La 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 la.
No.
Oh?
One kid on each chair.
Okay. Hello. Super.
Hi, Roma.
Hi.
Oh, but no food on the bus. Come on.
Yay! Hello, Roma. Hi, Roma. Hello, girls.
Our last student.
Hi.
Hello. Come in.
Uh-huh.
That's the last student to pick up. Let's go to school.
Hello.
Fasten your seatbelts.
Yay! Yes. Wow! Let's play.
did that?
Oopsie.
Please do not disturb the driver.
Sorry. So boring. Yes! Hi.
Roma, what are you doing? Don't open windows on the bus.
Okay. La 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 la. Oh! Have you seen my new clothes? No, show me.
Diana, don't walk around on the bus.
Oopsie. Okay. Look what I have. Cool. La 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 la. I also have one. Me too. Yeah!
Don't throw garbage on the bus.
Oh no! Sorry, we'll clean up. Yay!
Oh, I see our school.
Let's go. Yahoo!
Roma, are you forgetting something?
Oh no, I forgot my backpack. Oopsie.
Do not leave your things on the bus.
Okay. Yeah!
Have a nice day, kids. Hello, class.
Hi, teacher.
Now, science lesson.
Wow! I have a lizard.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit,
I have a frog.
ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Cool.
Diana, please clean the whiteboard.
Okay. La 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 la. Oh. Shh. Teacher, I'm done.
Thank you, Diana. Please be seated.
Okay. What's this? Ah!
Ribbit, ribbit.
Roma! What? It's just a joke. Bad joke. Yes, bad joke.
Class, continue the lesson.
Wow. Teacher, I'm done.
The lesson is over.
Yeah!
Bye. Hello. Come in. Time to go home.
Yeah!